Today, students will be study about chapter 2 People as resource, very important chapter in social science. People is a very important resource, is a way of referring to the working people or of a country in terms of their existing productive skills and abilities. Considering at the population from this productive aspect impasses its ability to contribute to the creation of the gross national product. Like any other resources, population too is a resource, a human resource. This is the positive side of a large population. That is the positive side of a large population. That is the often overlooked when we see only the negative side and consider only the problems of providing the population with food, education, and access to health facilities when the existing human resources is further developed by becoming more educated and healthy. It is termed as human capital formation, which adds to the productive power of the country, just as physical capital formation. Resource human capital investment in human capital through education, training, medical care, knowledge, ability, skills, judgment, wisdom, creativity, and knowledge. Investment in human capital through education, training, medical care yields a return almost similar as investment in physical capital. This can be observed directly in the form of higher incomes earned due to higher productivity of the more educated or the persons who are better trained, as well as the higher productivity of higher healthier people. The more educated and the healthier people gain through higher incomes, just like them society to gains in other indirect ways because the advantage of a more educated economic activities. There are many people who like Vilas and Sakals have been engaged in different activities. We have studied Vilas used to sell fish and Sakal got a job in the firm. All these different activities have been classified into three main sectors like primary, secondary, and tertiary: agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, fishing, farming, mining, and quarrying are included in the primary sector. In secondary sector is concerned with manufacturing. The tertiary sector includes trade, trades, transport, communication, banking, education, health, tourism, services, insurance, etc. Production of goods and services are the result of the activities of this sector. These activities add value to the national income. Various economic activities are also termed as market activities. Market activities involve remuneration to anyone who performs like activity performed for play or profit. Production of goods, primary activity, economic activity which are related to agriculture, farming, fishing, horticulture, animal husbandry, mining, quarrying, etc. are called primary activities. Natural resource are extracted primary activities. Primary activity is very important activity. Here 70% public farming. Secondary activities, manufacturing is called secondary activity. Natural resources are properly modified in secondary activity. Our country industries secondary activities, industries large number quantity production of goods. Tertiary activities very important sector in our country. Trade like trade, transport, communication, banking, education, health, services and insurance. Mostly country developed tertiary activities and primary and secondary activity automatic developed. Trade, transport very important role in our country. Doctors, mechanic, tractor, etc. primary and tertiary activities. Quality of population. Basically, the quality of population depend on the three things: the literacy rate, health of a person indicated by life expectancy and skill formation accurate by the people of the country. It is the quality of the formation of the population which ultimately dictates the growth rate of country. For an economy, illiterate and unhealthy population are a liability. On the other hand, literate and healthy population are an asset. So, education and health care facilities very important role of the quality of population. Education is a very important role in our country. Educated person on work complete fast Sakal invested in the initial years of his life in education and repeated the result on the we have seen education was a very important input for the growth of Sakal. It opened a new horizon for him, provided new aspiration, and developed values of life. Not only for Sakal, education contributes a lot towards the growth of society. Also, it not only enhances the national income but also cultural richness and increase the efficiency of governance. A provision has been made for providing universal access, rotation, and quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls. A provision has also been made to establish Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district Vidyalaya. The school system untouched. Unfortunately, this huge expenses of schools has been deleted by the poor quality of schooling and high dropped rates. सर्व शिक्षा अभियान is a significant steps towards providing elementary education. See the map of education related in our country. Education literacy rate in India 1951 male से 20% and female 10%. 1961 increased the literacy rate. 1971 only 2% increased the literacy rate. 1981 literacy rate 10% growth. 2001 literacy rate very high. The number of institutions higher of education enrollment and facilities. See the series 1950-51 750 colleges of our country. Number of universities 30 students 2,63,000. 24 teachers 24,000. 1990 to 91 number of college in our country 7,346. Number of university 177. Number of students 49,225 etc. Health a firm maximum profit. Do you think any firm would be persuaded to employ people who might not work efficiency as a healthy worker because of ill health? The health of a person helps him to realize his potential and the ability to fight illness. For an organization An unhealthy person becomes a liability. Health is a indispensable basis for realizing one's well